All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present 2018 Dodge Caravan. It is the Grand Caravan, the GT model, red with black leather interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steerable controls. It's got a navigation system, heated front and rear seats. Super nice, and best of all, only 18,000 miles in this vehicle. Minimum damage. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Tire tread. It's over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. I don't see any curbing. Tire tread. Over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It's a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manual. Still wrapped up in its plastic. Check that out for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player on it, and all that good stuff. You got your Navi system coming up here as well. Boom, stuff like that. You got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls. You got your heated seats and heated steering as well. Stable controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 18,062. And there's your Navi system. Boom. All right, keeping it moving. Got some power buttons here. Open things up. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, or rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, or rips. Does have rear running ACs and rear AC controls. Got a little power button here. Closes that door. This rear bumper looks good. There's what your trunk space looks like. Pretty nice. These seats do stow and go, like the message, like the car says. Got a little button there, which closes the rear lift, which looks good. This quarter looks good. Rear passenger rim looks good. Tire tread over 7/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, or rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, or rips to that one. Got a little power button here. Closes that. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. This is dirt. Just needs to be cleaned up. Tire tread over 7/32. Lights are working, fog lights are working. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with 18,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.